Cheers everyone, good morning. Softail Junky here. Well, the day has come that we are headed out. We're going to go to Crystal River, and I'm getting ready to head over to Rich's house and pick Rich up, and then I'm going over to Kevin's house, and Kevin and Chuck are over there, and then from there we're going to go to Weewaw and pick up Charlie. Now between Kevin's house and Charlie's house is about an hour ride. So the route we're going to take is Highway 98. After we leave Weewaw, we're going to go down to Highway 98, and at some point we're going to pick up Highway 19, Florida Road, headed south, and then that's going to take us all the way into Crystal River. It's 68 degrees this morning. Beautiful, beautiful morning this morning. And I'm very excited to take the nice road trip that I've been wanting to do for quite some time. And anyway, I will give you a pop-in video along the way, and probably when we pick up the boys and get everybody together, we'll do a little video before we start out, probably from Charlie's house. And you know, maybe we'll drop in, like breakfast or lunch or someplace. We'll drop in. But anyway, appreciate you so much. Thank you. Like and subscribe. Sorry I haven't gotten a lot out there lately, but you know, there just hasn't been a lot going on in the shop. But you know, this is just my way of keeping in touch and keeping this going and having fun with it still. But anyway, thank you guys. Appreciate you. Cheers.
Okay.
Hey, greetings everybody. Softail Junky here. We made it to Charlie's house. So Charlie, Kevin, Rich, and Chuck. And we're all veterans, so you know, we're just out cruising today, gonna have a good time, and we're gonna stop and get something to eat in a little while. Angie's got snacks for us, so just like on a road trip, you know, we gotta load up on snacks. So everybody's ready to go, and looking forward to it. Cheers everybody, appreciate you. Good evening, or lunchtime. How y'all doing? We're in Carabel, Florida, and we're just stopped for a bite to eat. And so Cheryl, tell us where we're at and who you are.
We are the Fisherman's Wife in Carabel. We're a seafood restaurant with also the option of fresh ground beef and fresh white chicken. You're in Carabel, the home of the world's smallest police station. Do y'all need to visit?
Thank you, Cheryl. Appreciate you.
You're welcome. And we'd like to thank all of y'all for your service in the military. We appreciate our vets, and we do give veterans discounts here. So if you're in Carabel, come by and see us at the Fisherman's Wife. Y'all have a good day.
Thank you. Greetings everyone. We made it to Crystal River, Harley Davidson. Good long ride. Took us about 7 hours, I bet, because, you know, eating, gas, whatever. Good dealership, man. Nice here, lots of bikes, and the guys are hanging out. Charlie just test drove a CVO, so I don't know if it goes well. He may be taking home a CVO. So let's just go over here real quick and just kind of look at what we got. And this is the crew right here. Well, I can't really turn you around, but all the bikes are here. That's my guy right there. This is Chuck's bike right here, Rich's bike right there, and that's Kevin's bike right there, and Charlie's bike is on the end. So it's 5:15 in the afternoon. We left this morning at 8 o'clock. We've been here since 3:30, 4 o'clock. Good day. Everybody here is pretty nice. They got lots of bikes here. And tomorrow is supposed to be a really, really big event with the Combat Vet Motorcycle Organization. Big ride, a couple of bands. Not sure we'll be here for that, but if the deal goes down with Charlie, we might be here tomorrow. I don't know. All is well. Had a good ride. It was beautiful going down, the back roads of Florida, down the coastline. Just beautiful, just gorgeous. Weather's been good. We got sprinkled on a little bit, but not too bad. And so we're all just chilling right now till we go out to eat tonight. And I will check in with you guys later. Thank you so much. Appreciate you very much. Please like and subscribe. Push all them buttons. Make this thing work. You know the deal. It's cool. It's fun for me. So it's like, this ain't, it's fun. So let's just keep it going. All right. Cheers, everybody.
There we go. Hi there. James Hill here at Crystal Harley Davidson here in Homosassa, Florida. Just want to congratulate Charles Pitts. Paul Pitts on the purchase of a 24 CVO road glide. Happy trails, appreciate it. Enjoy. All right.
Charlie's new machine.
Yeah, man.
Right on. Thanks, James.
Anyway, so if you want to...
Okay. This is the end of the ride and the end of the video. About 700 miles round trip. We had no incidences other than I had a tail light bulb that went out. It was an awesome ride. Everybody had a good time. Charlie bought a new bike. Everything is cool, man. I am whooped. But it was a good time. I think we would do this again, some other kind of ride. But it was a good test for me because that's probably the longest ride I've ever done. And it's the longest ride on this bike. So, and it worked out just right, just great. But thank you, everybody. Appreciate you.